Most small business owners are using AI the slow way, and they're wasting valuable hours every single week without even realizing it. This inefficiency can truly hinder growth. But here's the truth. AI is fundamentally designed to save you time, not create more work or complexity. It should be a tool for efficiency. Here are 3 simple, actionable ways AI can save you at least 5 hours this week, boosting your productivity significantly. Number 1. Create marketing content in minutes. Stop spending countless hours writing social media posts or email campaigns. Let AI draft them instantly, providing a solid foundation that you can then quickly edit and refine. Number 2. Automate repetitive administrative tasks. Things like drafting emails, summarizing lengthy documents, crafting quick replies, or managing customer messages. AI can handle these efficiently in mere seconds. Number 3. Learn to use better prompts. The clearer and more specific your prompt, the better and faster the results you will get from any AI tool. If you want the step-by-step playbook I built specifically for small business owners to master these techniques, grab my comprehensive ChatGPT for Small Business Guide. I'll drop the link in the comments below for easy access.